So now with the replacement of smaller stuff such as wires and that, you can see that none of them have been soldered. So it's really easy to take out and then put back in. There, put back in. With other things such as these, you can just take them out like that. This is the AT Tiny that controls my steppers, and yeah, this one as well. Same thing here. Easy. Now onto my LCD display. This one's actually quite easy to replace. All you do is that nut there, which you open from this side, and then this part comes out. After coming out, then we've got the 4 separate screws here. Taking that out, and the LCD screen comes up. So this is what it is like. So it was out from here. Now I've got this part out. And I can take those wires out, or just take out these and replace it. So if I want to replace the 3D printed part or the LCD, it's quite easy. Similar with my voltage and ammeter display, all I need to do is take out this nut here. After taking that out, this comes out. Then I've got 2 separate things attached at the back here. Just take both of those out and the whole display comes out. So this is what it looks like when it's taken out. It's got 2 holes there for adjustability, and that's the back thing that I was talking about that you need to take out.